With the crawl spaces, NSquare, we first go in and we do an evaluation because there could be multiple causes of the settlement with the crawl space. It could be that the wood has just gotten to an age where it's starting to deteriorate, and we are able to come in and with our employees, we're able to install new wood joists and replace the old wood that's deteriorated through mold or indoor termites. And then we're also able to install the SmartJack system, which the SmartJack system is a good alternative to these concrete columns that we'll see that people have under there, that they've had the handyman special who's put some blocks together and put some shims in there as a way to stabilize the floors. With the SmartJack system, we actually excavate down to get through some of the soils, approximately 2 to 3 feet, and by doing that, that also allows us to dissipate the load. And in installing the SmartJack system, we then have a product that we can later come back and adjust, if necessary, to raise the floors again. It's a very compact way of providing additional column supports to existing wood floors. And then in addition to that, if a client would like to do an encapsulation system, we are also representatives of the CleanSpace product, where we're able to come in and encapsulate the bottom of the floor. So often homes, especially in South Florida, who have a lot of air conditioning going on, the air conditioning is trying to pull the moisture out of the home and able to cool the house. Well, the building envelope is pretty much sealed except for what's sitting on the ground. And that air conditioning is constantly pulling the moisture up through the wood floors as a way of trying to cool the house. With the CleanSpace encapsulation system, we then encapsulate the bottom of the house, and we then seal that area that the AC is no longer pulling the moisture up through the house, which then helps with the homeowner's energy bills.